Hi, I'm Emily from Close, and today I'm going to walk you through our powerful built-in calling features right inside your CRM. Imagine never having to switch between your phone system and your CRM ever again. With Close's built-in calling features, you can look at your leads, records, take notes, have all the context you need at your fingertips while making your phone calls. Plus, with AI features like Call Assistant, we will record, transcribe, and document your calls right inside the product. As you can see here on a lead record, we have calls logged right on the lead record. You can add notes, you can play them back if you have Call Assistant enabled. You can also get transcriptions of all of those calls right on one person's record. There are 3 powerful ways to make calls right inside of Close. Let me walk through your options. First, you can make individual phone calls one-on-one to your contacts, your leads, your customers, so you can have super high value conversations. And again, have them logged right to their record right inside your CRM. To make an individual call, just head to a lead record. Here's an example right here, our Close organization. You can scroll down to a contact record and just hit the dial button, and it'll start making a phone call right inside Close. You can invite other people to your calls. They will show up right in your lead record that you'll see right here. You can add notes, whatever you need to do right here in the system. Also, you can head over to the inbox where any calls you are receiving inside the product will show up, as well as voicemails, and you can create any new leads if they don't exist in your system already, or call them right back right from the inbox. You can also use our in-browser calling feature, which allows you to manually dial a phone number and make a call right here. For working through high priority lists fast, we also have a power dialer feature, which auto dials one lead after another from a smart view or a workflow. All you have to do is head to an example smart view. Right here, we have a specific list of opportunities that are ready to be followed up. Just hit the call icon, and I'm going to continue a calling session right here.
Welcome to Call a Note, your emergency hotline.
As you can see here, it takes you right to the lead record where you can see all the notes, and it'll dial through all of your next calls one after another. Go ahead and hang this up. And as you see, it'll show you a view where you can see all of the calls you made that day in the power dialer session. You can also head to your workflows where you can add calling steps. And each time somebody goes through your workflow and they hit a calling step, it'll create a to-do list right here that you can start power dialing right through. Alternatively, we have a predictive dialer feature. If you've got a team of 4 or more reps, this is the best use case for a predictive dialer, and it takes things up just a notch. It dials through multiple numbers at once, and once it connects to a contact, it will connect that contact to an available team member for them to pick up the phone and have a chat. What makes calling and Close truly next level is the intelligent experience around each call. Again, right here in your lead records, you can see calls made, calls received, and all the notes you need to review, coach your sales reps around each type of call. And with Close Call Assistant, you can automatically record and transcribe those calls so you have everything at your fingertips in a flash. It's really easy to get set up. All you have to do to set up a new phone number is go to Settings, Phone and Voicemail, and just add a new phone number, either a personal one if it's just for you, or a group one if you plan on sharing it with your team. You can enable call recording right then and start dialing individually or with one of our dialers. For your teams, using a group number, all you have to do is set up your settings, and you can create user groups that will call the next available rep. It will assign calls to the assigned rep on that lead, so it directly dials them. That's all inside Close. Whether you're making one-on-one phone calls or trying to scale your dialing efforts, Close gives you everything you need to start calling super fast and be super productive and getting every lead closed as fast as possible. No switching systems, no lost notes, just better calls and more closed deals. Thanks for watching this tour of Close's calling features. Happy dialing!